Good morning everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to be doing a productive day in my life. It is the 28th of December and I believe it's like Friday? I'm not really sure, I've kind of lost track of days at this point, but I have been procrastinating doing any thing that I have to do. So today I'm going to try to get as much done as I can. I have a video to edit. I have a lot of college essays that I want to write because I really want to finish those. I have like 4 more, but they're all kind of similar, so hopefully I can get those done pretty quickly. And of course I need to clean my room because it is a mess. I have to put away all of my Christmas presents, and then I think I'm going to lunch with my mom, so that'll be fun. It's currently raining a lot outside. It kept me up last night, kind of annoying. Okay, so my room is in a much better state than it was when I first started cleaning. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started with writing some of these college essays for college applications. Naturally, I've left it till the last minute. I'm really good at doing schoolwork, when I get it assigned and staying on top of all of that. But when it comes to literally anything else, I procrastinate it so much. It's so bad. And I procrastinate it by doing homework. I'm like, oh, I have to do this. I can't have time to do that. So I actually need to sit down and write some of these essays and get them done because it's literally getting so bad, because all of them are due 1st through the 5th of January, so that's pretty soon, and I have to send them to my counselor to double check all the essays and stuff first too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on those because they're important. I can do it, I think. So I've written half of the essays that I needed to write, which I think is a good place to take a break, and it's 1 o'clock now, so I think we're gonna go head out for some lunch. I'm not sure where we're gonna go though. I kind of don't want something heavy because I just feel like I've eaten really badly the last few days, so we might go get salad or something. Not sure, we'll figure something. Hey guys, so it is a lot later now. My mom and I went out to lunch. We went to this little bakery. It's a chain here, but it's really nice. There's well, not chain, there's 3 or 4 of them around, and so we went there. It was very nice. There was lots of tourists around though, so that was kind of funny. And I've just been back. I finished another couple of essays. I'm actually reusing some of them, so that makes this so much better. I just had to go through and make sure I changed all the names, and then make sure that I have it in the word limit, because obviously the word limit is different for each school depending on, because these are the supplements. My main essay's been done forever, and I'm about to do, so for Rice, which is one of the schools I'm applying to, then you have to do this thing. It's called the box, and basically you just take a picture of something that's inspirational, I guess, to you. So I think what I'm gonna do is, I have all of my point shoes here in a box, the old ones and the new ones, so I think I'm just gonna take a picture of that and have that be it, because it kind of symbolizes lots of years of hard work, but I'm not really sure what angle I don't want to take it at. Maybe maybe I'll take it like that, like with a pair outside and then like all of the ones inside. I kind of like that. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, I'm going to take that picture really quickly. And then I only have one more to write, but it's for Rochester, and I just like don't even know what I want to do for that because... Okay, those essays took me so long. Literally have spent basically all day writing these essays. But the good news is I think they are pretty much all done. I have like a couple of questions that I had for my college counselor, which I just emailed her to like double check with them, but I'm pretty sure I know what she's gonna say. That's done. Tomorrow I'm gonna go through and like check them and like reread them and make sure that they all actually sound good. None of them are due until January 1st, and today is the 28th, so like I still have like 4 days. 3 days? 29th, 30th, 31st, and the 1st. So yeah, 4 days technically. But I really would like to get them in before New Year, just because then they're over with. They're like stressing me out, but like not too much. I don't know, I'm probably not putting enough emphasis on these. I'm trying to be really calm about them. I've already applied to 3, and then I just have the other 6 to go. I'm probably going to make a video about all of this actually later, so I'm not going to tell you where, because I'm going to wait till I've like heard back from everywhere, which I know is kind of late, but hopefully it can help anybody who's like applying to places next year, because I know I watch like a ton of those. So we're feeling okay. I felt worse. I'm just glad that everything at least has some sort of like base that I can work with now, instead of it just being like a blank slate, because that's stressful. So over the break I'm supposed to be reading all of these articles because I'm doing this competition, and it's about like current events and stuff, which is weird because like I'm not really even into that, but I said I'd do it because I can't say no to things. So I have a whole bunch of articles that I have to read. I only printed out like the first one, which isn't that long, and honestly it's from the history channel, so it won't be hard to read. It's a really easy one, and I just printed out the list of everything else that I have to read, which honestly most of them probably will be pretty simple. I'm hoping. They've got a lot, and at least I have like a list and I don't have to just like research it on my own. So I got like all of these pens and well a planner too. This is from Paper Chase. These are from Paper Chase I believe as well. So I might try to use some of these fine liners out for the first time. And then I also got these, so I'm definitely going to be using one of these to highlight this. I need to open it first. Okay, so I fully intended on editing tonight. This is what always happens because I always leave editing till last, and then my dad gets home and he was like, oh, let's watch a movie. So we watched 2. What did we even watch first? Oh, we watched the Da Vinci Code, and then we watched the Kingsman Golden Circle. I was gonna go to bed. Not even go to bed. I mean, I was gonna come up here and like do stuff, but whatever. Too late now. It's literally like 1:45, so I'm going to sleep. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it wasn't actually that productive, but hopefully it was still fun to watch. I'll see you next time. Bye!